Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This episode I'm going to show you, it's quite simply, how to boil rice. And it's really easy because I've got a rice cooker. So let's rock and roll. Hey guys, yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you today how to cook boiled rice with a rice cooker. And just so happens I do have a rice cooker. There it is. I'll put the link down below to where you can buy it. It's off Amazon. It's just a basic bog standard rice cooker. One button function, that's all you need. So opening up the box here. Inside you can see the ladle which you'll need to fluff the rice. Taking off the lid. Inside you've got the measuring cup that comes with the rice cooker. And then obviously the electrics that go with it as well. Taking the rice cooker now actually out of the box. There you can see the pan sitting in the actual rice cooker itself. We're going to remove the pan now, and inside you can see the heating element. Do not get water on this as it will damage the product and it will not heat your rice properly. So replacing that, and that is basically the rice cooker. So taking the pan separately now, what we're going to do, we're going to add rice to the pan and then wash it. So here's a bag of jasmine rice. It's AAA, just bought from the local supermarket. You can also buy it from Chinese grocery stores as well, and as well as online. So to this pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of jasmine rice. And I think in this, I'd actually got half cup measurement, so I put 2 in. But literally just 1 cup. Now, as a rule of thumb, I would really say that it's 1 cup of rice per person. And of course, if you want more rice, just add more rice. Also, it's best to store jasmine rice in a nice dark place, preferably in an airing cupboard, anywhere it's not going to get light, and tighten it up, seal it up tight, so it stays fresher longer. So they're in the 1 cup of rice. Now we're going to need to wash it. We need to wash the rice 3 times. And I'm going to show you the once in this one, just to show you how to do it. So pour your water into your rice, and then with your hand give it a stir in one direction. You'll notice that the water will get cloudy. So gently massage it. Don't massage it too hard. We don't want to break the grains up. We just want to loosen the dust and what have you. So once you've washed it 3 times, you rinse out all of that water. I said the more they wash it, the more it will get clear. Once you've washed it, if you're actually using the rice cooker pan, then just wipe it down the sides and wipe the back, the bottom of it as well. So now we're going to add our cup of water. As we're doing boiled rice, I would normally add 1 cup and 1/3 to make sure that your rice is nice and fluffy. If we were doing stir-fried rice, which I will be showing in another video, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So pour your water in, make sure you capture all the rice that's around the sides, because we don't want those to burn, and pop that into your rice cooker. And then you can put the lid on. Now, once you plug your electrics in onto your rice cooker, you'll notice the little light that will say warming, and that will be a little yellow light. The other light is cooking. So just press the button down and the rice cooker will start to cook your rice. As a little added tip, I put a tea towel on top of the hole that's on the lid to stop the steam from escaping. and basically just steaming up your kitchen. So leave that then to do its thing. It will take about 10-15 minutes, and come back and then see to that once it's ready. Once it's ready, you'll see that the light will go on to warm. It'll change from cook to warm. This will show you that the rice is ready. At this point, I usually remove the electrics and then leave it for at least 5 minutes to let any extra steam evaporate. As you see, I take the lid off. As you can see, it's very steamy. So put the lid back on, leave it then for about 5, depending on how much rice you put in, 5-10 minutes. After 5-10 minutes, you can come back. You see it's still steamy. This is where you take your rice paddle and then you fluff up. Be careful not to burn your hands, that pan is hot. Fluff up your rice, and that is then ready to serve. And as you can see, the grains should be lovely and fluffy. Obviously, if you're doing stir-fried rice, it should be a little bit harder, ready for cooking. But that is it. That is basically boiled rice. And as you can see, it's nice and fluffy. But for this video, that is definitely it for today. Stop fluffing the rice up. Okay, that's it for me. If you enjoyed today's video, do remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep walking and rolling with Icobacca. See you next time.